And it may come from some of your childhood experience or memories. I agree. But now that you know everything, you have to surrender and you have to have full faith that whatever will happen to you, it's for your best purpose. The moment you switch on this from this anxiety, stress, fear, desperation, this zone to faith, it's not that something bad will not happen to you, but the way you accept the even the worst, like whatever bad thing will happen, it will quickly come out. I mean, you can quickly come out of it. So
That is
because you will
interesting.
not blame universe. Every time you will get some problem, you will feel that it happened because you want to teach me something. I know it. So that's called the faith. That whenever you will receive something bad, you still will thank universe that thank you for trusting me to give me the challenge and believe me that I can overcome the challenge. So don't ask to rescue for any situation. Ask for the strength so that you can accept that. Because then only you can overcome it, right? You can think about the example of a butterfly. If you give them some rescue, like when they are inside the cocoon, if you just tear it down, they will not be able to fly. They have to go through that. They have to stay the desired period of time. They have to do the internal change inside the cocoon and they have to come out of it. So if you still ask that just help me universe, it will not be helpful. Even if you get help somewhere else, you will get the same problem. So instead of asking the help from universe, ask the strength from universe so that you can overcome your situation. Surrender all your problem to the universe and tell the universe that now onwards, I will not think about my problem. I'll think about something more for what I have been brought in that life. So there is a reason you are there, right? It's so you are in the first level where you are struggling with all your emotions, all your problem. Many people, 90% people die like this only. If we really want to go to the next version, we have to release all your emotions, all your problem, surrender to universe, and then tell universe that I am ready to go for the next level. And then only you will be go to the next level where you will have a purpose.